Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of a series of class 9th maths chapter 1 sets. In this video we will be solving all the exercise questions and you will be provided here all the notes. First of all we will see practice set 1.1 of chapter sets. Now question number 1, it is write the following sets in roster form. We have to write the set given in the roster form. So question number 1, set of even numbers. We have to mention the set of even numbers in the roster forms, means in the form of numbers. That's why we have written a equals to the set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and dot dot dot. It will be infinite set. So dot 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 is important here. Now second question, that is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. We know that 2 is the only even prime number. So the answer will be set B equals to 2. Now set of negative integers. The negative integers will be -1, -2, -3 and so on. Next is 7 basic sounds of a sargam sur. The answer will be sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. We will not repeat sa again because it is a set and the set contains only unique elements. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. First is 4/3 belongs to Q. Belongs to means it is an element of right side. The set name is mentioned on the right side. So we have the answer will be 4/3 is an element of set Q. Now -2 not belongs to N. This symbol is called not belongs to. This symbol is of belongs to. Hence the answer will be -2 is not an element of set N. The answer is -2 is not an element of set N. Now third question, P. P is equals to P such that P is an odd number. The answer will be set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Now third question, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. The answer is by listing method with two sets in the listing method and two sets using rule method. First is listing method. We have written the set of prime numbers. We can written any type of set. Here first example is set A is equals to contains the elements 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Second set is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. The rule method, A x such that x is a prime number from 1 to 12. B set y such that y equals to n square such that n belongs to n and n is less than 9. Now question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. We have to list the elements in these sets, which is called as the listing method. All months in the Indian solar year. The solar year months are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jeshth, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrav, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahan, Paush, Magh, Falgun. We have mentioned this in listing method. Now next is letters in the word complement. The answer will be COMPLENT because we will not repeat the letters or the alphabets in the word to write in the set, as the set will contain only the unique elements. Next, set of human sensory organs. We know it is 5. So the set answer will contain nose, ear, tongue, skin, eyes. Next is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now we mentioned all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. It's easy as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Names of continents in the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. Similarly, we have completed this set. Now we will be seeing the last question of the set, practice set 1.1. Write the following sets using rule method. Now this is a set 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. We know that these all are the squares of a number. these are the perfect squares of a number which starts from 1 square to the 10 square. So we can write it in the using the rule method easily. So we have written it as set A is equals to x such that x equals to n square. The value of x is square of a number such that n belongs to capital N, where the n is less than or equals to n. N belongs to capital N means it's a natural number and its value will be, and the value of n will be less than 10, less than or equals to 10. We can also write here n less than 11. Now the next is b equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40 to 48. We know that it is a table of 6 up to 48. So we basically simply write it as y such that y equals to 6 of n, means table of 6 such that n belongs to n natural number and n will be less than 9, means it will be up to 6 into 8. 6 into 8, 48. Now the next is set C equals to S, M, I, L, E. These are the letters. So we know that it is a letters or the alphabets from the word smile. So we'll write it in the rule method as C such that Z is a letter of the word smile. Next is fourth is D, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. We know that these are the weeks, days in the weeks. So we will write it as day is equals to x such that x is a day of a week, means the value of x will be a day in a week. X, it is A E T. EET means it will form word eat. We know that these are the alphabets in the word eat. So x equals to y such that y is a letter of the word eat. That's all about today. This is the complete practice set solution 1.1. In the next video we will see 1.2 exercise. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos.